What's the meaning of awakening? Awakening. Awakening.
Awakening. Awakening. The term awakening generally refers to a state of heightened consciousness or awareness. It may involve a realization of deeper truths or a recognition of one's own true nature. The result of awakening can vary from person to person, but it often brings about profound personal transformation and a shift in perspective towards the world and others. Individuals who have experienced awakening may often exhibit greater inner peace, clarity of thought, compassion, and an overall sense of connectedness with all of existence.